Have you ever noticed how streetlights turn on automatically at night? Today, we're going to build a simple automatic light control system using Arduino and an LDR sensor. This small component is called an LDR. It changes its resistance depending on how much light hits its surface. For this project, we use an Arduino Uno, an LDR, a 33 kilo ohms resistor to create a voltage divider, an LED, a 220 ohm resistor, and some jumper wires. The LDR is connected to 5 volts and analog pin 0. Then we place a 33,000 resistor from a 0 to ground to form a voltage divider, allowing Arduino to read light intensity. The LED is connected to digital pin 8 through a 220 ohm resistor to limit the current and protect the LED. The Arduino reads the analog value from the LDR and compares it to a threshold value. When the environment becomes dark, the program turns the LED on. When it's bright, the LED turns off. And now our automatic lighting system is working. A simple sensor, a few components, and a small program are enough to create a smart light control system. You can download the code and wiring diagram in the comment section below.